Every mechanical system that moves also vibrates. In engineering, vibration is defined as the repetitive oscillation of a mechanical system around an equilibrium position. When parts move, they shake. Every physical object has a natural frequency, the specific rate at which it prefers to vibrate when disturbed. Because this frequency is determined by an object's mass and stiffness, engineers cannot ignore these internal rhythms. They must mathematically account for movement in every design. Since all physical matter inherently vibrates, engineers must calculate these oscillations and their effects before a single piece of steel is cut or a motor is ever turned on. The mechanics of movement become dangerous when a system encounters resonance. Resonance occurs when a continuous external force matches an object's natural frequency. As shown in this data, when the frequencies align, it dramatically amplifies the vibration amplitude, sending the oscillation completely out of control. We can see this physical reality in the 1940 collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge, where solid steel and concrete warped like liquid. Wind-induced oscillations matched the bridge's natural frequency. This continuous input of energy forced the amplitude to grow until the structure tore itself apart. Aerospace engineers face a similar threat called flutter, an aerodynamic resonance that can cause a wing to oscillate with enough force to snap it mid-flight. Unchecked resonance turns basic physics into a catastrophic threat, requiring engineers to design specific, calculated countermeasures to ensure a system's survival. To fight back, engineers use the single degree of freedom model. This isolates the mechanics into a mass, a spring, and a damper. By scaling up these equations, engineers map the movement of complex systems, from jet engines to industrial skyscrapers. Once modeled, the vibration is classified as either free, where a system oscillates on its own after an initial nudge, or forced, where a continuous external drive, like an unbalanced motor, keeps the system moving. Identifying whether the vibration is free or forced determines which mechanical solution an engineer must deploy to keep the system stable. The first solution is avoidance. Engineers use modal analysis to identify a structure's natural frequencies and mode shapes digitally, ensuring the operating frequency never matches the natural frequency. The second solution is damping. This is the process of dissipating vibrational energy, typically as heat, to reduce the oscillation amplitude over time. The shock absorbers in a car's suspension are a direct application of damping. Without them, a vehicle would continue bouncing long after hitting a bump, making the ride unsafe. The third solution is balancing. Rotating machinery requires perfectly even mass distribution to prevent forced vibrations caused by centrifugal forces. In equipment like turbines and compressors, the rotors must be perfectly balanced. Even a minor mass imbalance at high speeds generates enough force to destroy the machine. By predicting mode shapes, absorbing energy through damping, and balancing rotational mass, engineers neutralize destructive vibrations before they can cascade into resonance. Engineering has evolved beyond preventing catastrophic failure into the discipline of NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. NVH focuses on the hyper-refined minimization of unwanted sensations. Engineers use engine mounts and sound-deadening materials to maximize passenger comfort in highly controlled testing environments. Electric vehicles present a unique NVH challenge that changes how engineers approach cabin comfort. Without the masking sound of a combustion engine, previously hidden structural vibrations and high-frequency gear whines become suddenly noticeable to passengers. As machines become quieter, the threshold for acceptable vibration shrinks, demanding a higher level of precision to maintain the standard of modern comfort. To maintain these standards over a machine's lifespan, engineers use predictive maintenance to monitor equipment in real time. Technicians use accelerometers and vibration sensors to gather data on operating machinery, looking for microscopic changes in its movement. Analyzing this data reveals early signs of bearing wear or misalignment long before a visible failure occurs, allowing for repairs before the system becomes dangerous. We cannot eliminate the inescapable physics of vibration, but through mathematical analysis and continuous monitoring, we have transformed a destructive force into a meticulously controlled reality.